Firstly, good morning, one and all, and good morning, Shubham. And today we are discussing how conversion benefit English language learning. That is our today's topic. So, in this session, I will discuss on the points on that. That is importance of English language, and second point is medium of transaction, and then medium of exchange of thought, and a lot of knowledge in the English, and then new ideas in the English, and dominating language in the world, that is English, and most country use that language, and also new initiatives are there in the English language. So we will discuss one by one that points. So first we discuss what is the importance of English language. I think there are many things in the English language. We all know that our Britishers, our ruling in the past, there is a ruling on our in India. There is a Britishers. They also follow the English language and promote the English language for the benefit of their custom, culture, and other things. That includes in that. And then second point is that medium of transaction is there. So there is a many transaction are there in the market. We nowadays day to day life we use financial transaction and other contracting transaction is there. That includes and also they also in the English language. So then we will discuss knowledge of the English language. So in the present scenario, there is importance. There is importance in the English language because lot of things are involved in the English language. Uh, English is a key to success. I think there are many opportunities are there in English, but there is a I think that there is a dominating language is there because in all countries like they're like England, America, and other countries are there. They use English language like a international language. So so that is a key point is that so each and every person knows English language, how to use that, and how to handle any matters on the English language. That is the important things on the on the basis of the English language. Then there are many initiatives are there. They found for the only for English language and go ahead for the betterment of the society, betterment of the any other things are there. Like we also create one YouTube channel like English की बात practice के साथ. That is the new initiatives are there in the English language. So that initiative come forward for the progressing of any things like language. So English is an opportunity for each and every person. So I think at last I hope balance between the English language and own language. There is a that is the plays important role in the society, because whenever we miss our own language, that time our culture is not there in that, because in English language there are Western culture is there. They apply their things in the practical manner. So we also attach to our own language and also progressing in the English language. That is the future of English language, I think. So in this way, my discussion is over. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you to all my audience. Thank you once again.
Yeah, very warm and excellent thoughts regarding today's topic, and you suggested very good topic for this session. So yeah, so now I will start. So first of all, warm good morning to all my dears. So today is our very important discussion on the how English conversation is very important for us in day-to-day life as well. So friends, according to me, language is a medium of communication. And first, when we're born, first we can speak any language. So that's why language is very important for us. And and English is very important because worldwide we accepted English English language in worldwide. So it is very beneficial for us as well as community to speak in English and do conversation in day-to-day life in the English. So friends, what are the benefits of when we conversation in day-to-day life in the English? So there are many benefits, like if we're talking any person to in the English, then our vocabulary is increases in day by day when we speak in the English. Then our accent is improved when we do conversation with our friends or each others. So there are very important. This point is that when we do conversation in the English, then our whole English language, our English consent, our vocabulary increases by doing the conversation. Because we took experience as you mentioned, because we started a new YouTube channel, and that aim is that to promote or to improve our English conversations, improve our accent, improve our vocabulary, and boost our confidence to speak in English. Because we know that as an Indian, our official language is not in English, but in the world needs English language, because conversation is very important for other countries in the English. So we adopted this English for that conversation. So it is very become important to how we speak in day-to-day life, how we practice it, how we conversation with our friends, with our relatives in day-to-day life. Because in day-to-day life we speak our local languages or our national languages, we know that, but the improving the English language, it's a necessity of this era, because all transactions, as you mentioned, all financial transactions, all government rules comes into the language, and different countries as well, because there are same condition in different countries too. So it becomes very necessary to understand the English conversation, how important in our lives in the futures, and how we increase our, what we can say, our confidence in the speaking English conversation. So it is very important, and our aim is that by starting our channel is that to improve our conversation as well as the others' conversations, because we give chance to all of you to come to join with us and do conversation with us. So it is very important for us. So English conversation is very important. So yeah, thank you so much from this side. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shubham. You are explaining very well, and also outstanding performance in this session. And I also learn many things from you. Yes, keep it up.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, very good. So please first stop the recording.
Yes. So we will conclude our today's session. Thank you for watching English की बात practice के साथ. Thank you once again.